In this video, we are going to take a look at Pig Hog 20-foot XLR cables. I've tested a lot of different XLR cables, and these have been the highest quality, most overbuilt cables I've found at a decent price. I purchased several varieties of Pig Hog cables such as TRS to XLR, XLR to XLR, and quarter-inch stereo cables and headphone extenders, and all of them have worked well with no shorting or noise. You can feel the difference in size and weight of these cables. Pig Hog cables are thicker than other XLR cables with this price range with an 8mm jacket. The XLR connectors are protected by heat shrink for greater durability, and Pig Hog gives a lifetime guarantee. The connectors feel tight on various mics, recorders, and soundboards I've tested these with, and I don't notice any background noise. The only thing I don't like about these cables is the branding on the heat shrink on the female side because it can be visible in video shots with microphones. If you're interested in picking up some Pig Hog cables, please use the links in the description below as they will help support this channel at no cost to you. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.